Some places look like dreams until you step into them. Santorini is one of those places. Picture yourself here, waking up to the aroma of freshly baked spanakopita with the Aegean Sea stretching endlessly before you. Stroll through cobblestone streets lined with iconic whitewashed buildings and blue-domed churches, each step revealing breathtaking views. Did you know this cliffside paradise has sunset spots listed among the world's best? For food lovers, don't miss the melt-in-your-mouth tomato keftids, local tomato fritters bursting with Mediterranean flavor. And here's a tip. Visit in April or October to skip the crowds while enjoying perfect weather. Feel the sand, taste the salt in the breeze, and let the hues of turquoise and white fill your soul. So, pack your bags. Your Santorini adventure awaits. Where should we go next? Drop your dream destination in the comments and be sure to subscribe to Destination Travel.